Today we're going to Alabama Audio Show down here in Holiday.
Cinematic video.
I got drinks. You just too tiny to take it. You made me so laugh. Cameraman, you want anything?
Oh shit, yeah. You're paying for home?
I hope bigger than my ex. Vet Nation, all the granddads out today.
Holy shit.
All got their flashers on like they hard. Damn, Batmobile up in this motherfucker. Everybody is gone.
Yeah, there ain't nobody here.
That's the hardest out. Alright, well, welcome to Alabama Audio Show 2024.
As you can tell, we're a little late.
I don't know how I made it here.
We all leave it.
What the fuck this dude got going on? Drew, what the fuck you got going on, bro?
Gotta get in the Christmas spirit, bro.
Dude, what the fuck, bro?
This nigga got Christmas lights on his guy.
If I reach in the back of the bed and plug that snowman in right here.
Snowman? What snowman?
Somebody took your damn snowman.
That hoe ain't in here.
Bro, chill, bro. I didn't even. These homeowners are getting out of hand, bro. Hold on. Yo, wait for it. Give it some time.
Uh-oh.
10 years later.
Got Frosty up in this thing.
Damn, looks like Dayton.
This my car wishes.
Yeah, this is what you wish you had. This is
I know where some sockets are.
Too much shit where you live, yeah, like that. 1, we can help you. 2, we can allow you to help yourself. And 3, we can have you replaced.
Hey, see, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever. See, I really been popping my shit on a whole nother level. You playing, get sent to the devil. These bitches been on me, I swear they keep calling my phone. I'm like, hold on, let me check the schedule. If she get time of day, then I had a good place, so I'm back at the spot. She getting big like a press. These niggas be soft on the bitch, but turned up off a purse. Boy, I'm solid and stand on whatever. Hey, bitch, I'm popping like going on a kettle. A lame nigga reach for my chain, he get hit with this metal. And first shit, we on the new levels. I put triple D on my back and my foot on the pedal. I'm chasing Shabbat to the cheddar. I really know Mexican start, I call all of them help. We up, you can go check the record, cause lately I really been ballin', I'm feeling like Steph. Sit back, let me teach you a lesson. You run up on Big X to plug and get hit with this web. Want the Glock, the AR, or the Wesson, but I still beat your bitch ass like it's
Oh, that ain't no.
Are you actually
You are not Colt Hutchins. Stop.
Bro, you're not Kodak, bro.
You are not Kodak.
You're not Kodak, bro.
How many times did I tell you I'm no good at cleaning? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know how to when you're not next to me?
The bass is in your face, show enough shrug your face. Just like you got sprayed by a can of mace. You see, your speaker is moving, everybody is grooving. My song moves along as it starts improving. The highs will get.
No. What is the damn Tricks? The Tricks car. Oh God, the Tricks car.
I like them, bro. They got them big ass Skittle
They
cars.
got like 30 inch or 34 inch fucking.
big ass. It's fun, bro.
Boy's a dog. I was not trying to ride that hell home, bro. I'm shivering like this Harley shaking. He got the cam in him.
We winding down for the night.
It's already
Cha-ching, cha-ching. That boy trash.
You don't even know.
Yeah.
Well, that's game. Rack 'em.
How I feel about Rackham? Alright. We winding down for the night. And with a little bit of pool. Pick y'all back up tomorrow.
The next day.
It's the next day. We gotta clean this shop out because somebody decided to tear the lift off their truck and trade lifts.
Oh, so speaking of somebody.
Yeah. Mine's been on the lift for like 2 weeks now, probably longer. I took my lift off, put a new grill on it, put stock spindles with a 3.5 inch level. I'm gonna be sitting right. We got sockets and everything all on the floor. It's his fault.
Put it back together for me.
Oh, it's Joel. Little Joel up in here.
He's gonna put my lift on for me.
Hey. Morning, sunshine. Hey.
Hey.
Oh, lift kit?
Lift kit. Gotta get it going. Baby food. Look at them, hard at work.
This is a real leaner right here.
Doing truck reviews with Eli.
Season 5. Looks like spindles for the top level. I mean,
Pretty good.
oh yeah.
Can you say that on here? Oh well.
Chrome peeling on the front.
Ugh.
He got a massive bug. I can't lie. Come on now. What's this?
eBay special.
eBay special? Maybe Amazon.
eBay.
Show off garage. I would not show this thing off.
Nice little back cover.
What does it think he's got a stunt wall or something? Maybe he does.
Who knows? It's locked. Can't lock these.
Okay,
How do you open this? Oh,
Oh,
maybe he
it's got a
does.
base model.
Yeah.
It doesn't lock.
yeah. Just
Looks like let's see, we got 4/8, 4 6.5, 2 horns, 2-inch drivers, 4 super tweeters.
those aren't 2 inch. Those are 1 inch.
Oh yeah, those are 1 inch.
Compensate,
brother.
You compensating.
Anyways, how's it hooked in there? It's not.
Nah. It's held in by those.
It might fall. It might not.
Who knows?
Does it sound good?
We got the perfect setup for this. We got 24s and 0s. 4s and 0s. What y'all know about that?
These are new low pros.
Yeah.
So then you can't even see them.
They're called Invenza tires. Invenza tires, yeah.
Yeah, 2 lug nuts, because if 6 holds it, 2 probably will.
Got the exhaust in the bed.
Yeah. What y'all know about a bed stack? It's literally stacked on a bunch of crap in the bed. Yeah. Things a piece, come by it, $7,500 as it sits. There are stocks.
No low balls. We know what we got.
We know exactly what we got. You do too.
It's got a little dent on the roof. Don't know if y'all can see that. It's just a very minor dent.
Interior's mint.
Yeah, interior's mint. Needs a new headliner.
It only smells like 3 cans. That ass.
Could use a driver's seat.
Never set out with the window open.
Yeah, no.
Not once.
Always
A-pillar will
garage
come
kept.
with it. Garage kept.
Got new mirrors.
Yeah, newish mirrors, new style. Oh, it is Bose.
Yeah,
It
it is a Bose truck.
Power seat truck too.
It's just it's unlocked. We can open the
Oh,
door.
yeah.
It's
It
just,
was a power seat.
was
truck.
power seat, but we decided we'd option for the manual seat.
I got really hungry one night driving home. Just right there. Tastes good. You know, get you a piece. Get you a piece. There it is. Custom speaker pods. They're in the truck. Don't ask where, but they're in it. I got the sticker to prove it.
It's not 18, it's 19.
You sure?
I'm positive. Go get that black and gold socket.
Well, it might be a 19 now. Now that we've beat the hell out of it.
That's about all we got for this video. Jordan's truck's about done. It'll probably be done in the next one, maybe. Maybe mine will be done. Yeah, a lot of cha-chings. We'll catch y'all later. You got anything to say?
I need some 26 by 16s with floating caps.
Anything realistic to say?